Greetings, welcome back to Pink Oddbird. I'm finally back after being so ill for so long, and I appreciate everyone who checked on me, sent me well wishes. Shout out to Jeneen at Lipstick Legion for the super amazing fruit little edible arrangement that you sent me. I absolutely loved it. Thank you everyone for checking on me. Thank you everyone so much, and I'm so happy to finally be back. Today what we're going to be doing is making a few embellishments, and I'm going to be using items from Laura's shop, The Papered Soul, and some other little supplies that I have pulled out from my stash. So that's what we're going to be doing. I do have lots of ink and paint and stuff under my nails. It's not dirt, I promise. I was dyeing some papers last night, so it's just paint. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I'll take one of these rose gold glassine bags from her shop. These little flowers. I do have another little bag of stuff here that I may reach in. And all of this stuff, like I said, is from The Papered Soul. So let's see what we can do here. Let's see. Let's get that folded like that. And then I want, she's got these miniature tags in her shop. So cute. I think I want to grab one of those. She's got some neat little tags in her shop as well. I'm going to grab a couple of those. I also have this beautiful trim. It's sparkly and it's kind of soft and woolly, and then of course some white eyelash trim. I'm gonna grab a book page first, I believe. Found a good little excerpt. Perfect. I want it more like that. And I'm just going to get this little inside piece covered. There we go. Okay, so there we have that. Okay, let's get this tag distressed. I want to have this here as a closure, so we're going to go ahead and get that piece down. So I'm going to stick this piece down as a little tuck spot. Black garment pins, the bulb pins. So let's take one of those actually. And I want to grab one of her flowers here. Let's take the white one. And see if this will work. There we go. So that's kind of cute there. Let's take one of my little index cards here that I stained. We'll tack this tag down in here. Okay. And I want to take some of these ephemera pieces and just glue them down. Okay, just like so. And that is going to tuck in here, tuck spot that we gave ourselves. So we do still have an inside space here that we can use to tuck something in. Let's take a piece of this embossed paper that I got from Miss Kim. It's embossed. I don't think you can really tell on the camera, but I'm just gonna really be roughly estimating on this. And I'm gonna tear the sides down a bit. And then since this is embossed, I'm gonna run the distressor over the top. Get some more texture out of this. Let's make sure this fits. And it does. Got a bag of goodies from Miss Shelby here. So I want to take this little wooden piece, glue this on here, and let's stick a little ephemera on here. Even though we have a closure on here, I just think it'd look really pretty with some eyelash trim tied around. So I just want enough to give it like a loose one-time knot. And I'm just gonna run a strip of just glue back here to hold that down, even though the whole thing will be glued down to the page. So we've got this little tag here. Pop that in here. I think what I'll do is I'll stitch here to make sure it cuts off, so you don't have to dig all the way in, unless you want to use the whole piece for like a long piece of ephemera. So we've got that. Found this little flower piece. I think that would look really nice here, just to give it some more rounded outness. And lastly, let's see, I'm going to snip the top edge off here, right up to the crease where we folded it. And that's going to give us a nice top loading pocket. Take a book page, and I'm going to we have that, and we have so very rustic tag. Let's make sure it fits. Yes, it does. And of course we want to distress this. Now that we have the tag, I'm going to grab my hole punch . Let's take, I think I'll put these two aside, and I'll go with this one. Got a good little chunk of this. And I'm gonna loop it through. There we go. Okay, so that will be tucked right in here. We'll have this closed. And on the front little tag, you can stamp something out there. You can add an image, you can write something, you can leave it blank. It's up to you. But that is it. So I hope you liked this little easy, simple junk journal embellishment using a bag. As you can see, this is gonna look super cute once you get it onto a page. So for example, if you wanted to just put that here, glue it all down, and then you have a really pretty embellishment for your page. So that is gonna wrap it up for me for now. Be sure to stay tuned because you never know what direction this odd flock of ours is heading into. And until next time, toodaloo.